youth digital natives. Really interesting things that are happening here, and we cannot afford to say kids today. Kids today are just losing their ability to have one-on-one conversation. It's affecting their brain poorly. We're doing all the things which is actually frankly known as chronocentrism, which simply means that we actually create a worldview based on what it is that we know. And when the world changes and it doesn't mesh with our worldview, we have some dissonance there. In fact, children with digital technologies are gaining a lot of really cool skills. And among them is the ability to get perspective. You know, we didn't really have this before, but now with games and virtual worlds and big, massive social networks, they can see how things are connected, and that is a critical skill. So invite many of them to be around you a lot of the time, because they have new problem-solving skills and tools and fluencies that, you know, really are not probably your first language, but it is theirs. As you do that, you want to recognize that content, which has been king for a long time, because that was a reflection often of the kind of the printed matter that was the medium for it, now it's conversation. Content has to seed the relationship and the community, but how you host the meaning of that within your community is what matters. So conversation, Chris mentioned that on LinkedIn it's going to be a private group, because there's a meaningful conversation that wants to be hosted with a very specific intention for this community.